Story of Prophet Muhammad.
Episode 3. The Beautiful Beginning of Prophethood.
Dad, please. It's Friday. Can we go out today?
Oh yes, you are right.
Oh, it's a holiday.
Ah,
I want to go to the library to read stories, and I also want to go to the park.
okay. Let's go to the library first and then I will take you to the park.
Yes, sure, I want my mom to come with us. I will tell her to get ready. We're going to the library and then to the park.
Yes, sure, my son.
Remember, in the library we have to be very quiet. We shouldn't shout or talk loudly.
What do you think about continuing the story of Prophet Muhammad?
Yes, Dad, I'd love that. Please tell me the rest of the story.
I'll tell you a new part of his life.
Long, long ago, in the city of Mecca, there lived a kind and honest man named Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Everyone trusted him because he always spoke the truth. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam loved to think quietly about Allah and the world around him. Sometimes, he would leave the busy city and climb a tall mountain called Jabal an-Nur. At the top was a small, peaceful cave named Hira. Inside the cave, it was dark and quiet. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam would sit alone, looking at the stars, praying and thinking. His heart was gentle, and he wished for goodness for all people. One night, something amazing and surprising happened. The cave suddenly filled with light. A powerful angel named Jibril appeared and hugged Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam tightly and said, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was frightened and said, I cannot read. The angel hugged him again and said, Read in the name of your Lord who created. These were the first words of the Quran. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was chosen by Allah to be his last prophet. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ran home, his heart beating fast. He was shaking and said, Cover me, his loving wife. Khadija wrapped him in a warm blanket and spoke softly to him. She said,
Allah will never leave you. You are kind. You help the poor. You care for others. Allah loves you.
Her words made his heart calm again. Khadija took Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to see her wise cousin, Waraqa ibn Nawfal. When Waraqa heard what happened, his eyes filled with tears. He said, This is the same angel who came to Prophet Musa. You are truly a prophet of Allah. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam listened quietly, feeling both amazed and thoughtful. After this, something strange happened. The angel did not come again for a while. The nights felt long, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam missed the beautiful words from Allah. But Allah was teaching him patience and trust. One day, the angel Jibril returned. The revelation began again, filling Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's heart with strength and light.
From that moment on, Allah's message continued, guiding people to kindness, truth, and worshiping one God.
I hope you will become like the Prophet Muhammad when you grow up.
Ha ha ha.
Story of Prophet Muhammad.